So in this video, I'm going to show you the cheapest way I have found to check the light meter in your film cameras. I just got this new camera in and I had to run around and find a battery for it. And the battery that I ended up getting was not the original Mercury batteries. They don't make them anymore because they're not so great on the environment, and we have replacement batteries for them. Mercury was used back in the day because it had such a sustainable voltage for the longest period of time. From my understanding, most of the batteries used that are supplemented into old film cameras are from hearing aids. So I've gone and picked up a set of 357s, which are not supposed to be used with this camera, and they're also silver based, so they won't last as long. So I'm going to probably have to use this technique multiple times to see how long these batteries hold the correct voltage for this camera. And this is the cheapest way I've found to check your light meter and your battery to make sure they're kind of working together how they should. So it's pretty simple. There's a bunch of light meter apps that you can download for free, and I have one cropped up right here. And as you can see, it's just testing the light meter inside this area from this vantage point. So as you can see, for this little point and shoot camera, the exposure on it at 400 ISO, usually labeled as ASA, I believe, on most older cameras, they're pretty much the exact same thing, at an aperture of 5.6, and the shutter speed will be 100. So now what we can do is there's a little light meter inside mine when I turn on the light meter on the inside. So we're first going to set the ISO or ASA on here to 400 and the shutter speed to 125, which is roughly where it should be, as well as the aperture to 5.6. And as you can see inside there, that's pretty much dead on. It's very, very close, I would say, and I imagine as this battery gets older, the voltage will affect the actual reading for this light meter, so I'm going to keep a close eye on that and do this test multiple times over the lifetime of this battery. So this is the easiest and cheapest way I've found to test your light meters inside your film cameras. If you found this video useful and informative, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Film Camera Club.